Hey guys, welcome back in and I'm gonna be doing mini meal time if I've got any mealtime gifts, obviously. And yeah, so I'm just gonna check my. I don't know why it's so laggy. By the way, I just spent half an hour trying to get my password back. And so yeah, I will be back with you guys in a minute after I check my messages. But yeah, okay. So I replied to their messages. One was off the girl that was online, and another one was off the girl that's not online anymore. And yes. Anyway, let's see if I've got any mealtime gifts. If I don't, then yeah. Then I don't. If I do, then I do. And yeah. And this is really weird right now with like string. I've got just kind of the string. Why is it so low? I can't. If I do not have any gifts, oh, I do. I was gonna say if I do not have any gifts whatsoever, then I will be so upset. Okay, so first is from Unicorn Boo 12. Unicorn Boo 12. So shout out to her. Let's see what she. So yeah, so. Okay, what? Okay, there we go. So she get. Oh wait, let me just tell everyone that I'm recording in MalTime. So thank you for that gift. And yeah. What's happening right now? Okay, let me just get rid of that bit. Guys, the lag on this computer though. Okay, yes, so I have had some technical difficulties, by the way, with my computer and my laptop, because I spilled juice on my keyboard earlier and it kind of messed my computer up, so yeah. But anyway, so second gift, again, from Unicorn Boo 12, so yeah, shout out to her. I swear down, I pressed where, the pants are under the other pants, so yeah. It's either a glitch or that's just how it will be. Yeah. They might be like not doing yeah. Okay. Thank you. That actually looks very nice. Okay, I'm ruining my outfit. Next is from American Burger 123, which is one of my friends actually. I've been talking to her. And it's a rare, guys. It's a rare. She gave me a rare. Can you hear this? A rare. A rare. A rare. A rare. A rare. Guys, I got a rare. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, American Biker 123. Okay, thank you for them. They look pretty nice. It doesn't look like anything is changing whatsoever. Okay, this one. This is the last from her, I think. Might be, might not be. There we go. Oh, I just realized that's another rare. Oh my god, she gave me rares. By the way, if you guys do not know, I have been getting a lot of rares so far. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's called Cheeky Yazzie. And if you did not know her, she's a YouTuber, and I love her videos so much. So yeah. I'm recording. I'm gonna see that and see if she sees it, or if I'm just blind to her, like if I'm just invisible to her. Okay, so next is from Ellie Red Rose 159, and I remember this girl because I got her VIP. I got her 3 months VIP. Oh, thank you. I will enjoy to wear that. Yeah. Okay. I did get quite a few gifts actually. I got at least like a. Hey, she got me hot eye stickers. Thank you. That's my room. But, you know, the still stuff. So yeah. So yeah. Give thanks. Okay, thank you for that too. Okay, I'm gonna load up some gifts. Okay, here we go. Next is from Jelly Money 121, and yeah, I've given her like 5 greet. Well, not 5. Well, not greets. Gifts. Why am I saying greets? I probably have given her a greet before, but I don't know. I have Oh, thank you. That looks very nice. Thank you. I actually like that hair. Like, that would match the outfit that I had on. But like, yeah, I've just done like. Thank you. Why is the handwritten backwards? Oh, it's not. No, it is. Okay, thank you. Oh, by the way, these gifts are from XXLEXX. Thank you for the shoes too. I appreciate it. She gave me 4 gifts. Okay, what was it? Oh, hair. Oh, thank you. Mary, what? Mary, where is it said? Oh, that's a nice hair. That goes with the hat. Okay, this should be the last gift from her, I think. I don't know. Okay, it's not loading at all. Oh, thank you. You can just see like this. By the way, I will make a look with this after. So yeah, by the way, yeah. So. Okay, next is from a girl called Kiki. What? Okay, I've got 3 more gifts left. The next one is from Kiki Raz, which is my sharing account. Thank you for that tree hugger thing. Yeah, that would have gone good with my outfit today, my French outfit. So yeah. And yeah. Okay, what's that? Are these like glasses? They look. I thought they'd look weird, but they look really cute actually. Oh my gosh, I like this outfit. Other than the tattoos peeping out and that. Yeah, this is a pretty good outfit. And thank you, Skimmers BT Lily. And yeah. Okay, now I just look weird. That just looks really weird. And so yeah, oh, people have been buying my. Oh yeah, I knew that. Anyway, so also big shout out again to Jolly Molly 121 as she has given me a gift today. There we go, a gift there, and some rares. Oh yeah, shout out to Sheila 33 Blue, cause she's the one that bought my wish list. Okay, where's the Jolly one? I will find it and I will show you guys. Okay, so there's these things here, the rares that she gave me. So yeah, I'll show you what she gave me right now actually. Okay, so she gave me these 2 rares, so 2 princess tours, and she also gave me another rare, which yeah, so but anyway, I'm gonna make an outfit with what I got right now. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna make a look. Okay, there we go. Movie time. By the way, I am getting VIP tomorrow, so yeah, I'm getting more VIP, and I'm so excited. So yeah, You know how excited I am. I should not have reminded myself, but you know, I am either getting 3 months or a month. I don't know yet. But you know, so it'll be. Oh, you can't even see the diamonds, but it'll be an upgrade for my diamonds, as I only have 292. People say that I'm spoiled because I have that many, but yeah, nah. By the way, I want to see what other looks of like people that. No one's made a look of me. By others of Grace MSP. This one. Okay. Okay, someone wants the shirt and shorts, so I will be sure to send them that. And that's Johnny Molly 1-2. Oh, okay. 121 is. Why would she want something so basic? that upsets me. She only wants basic. Hi, nice outfit of me. This was by Wolfstar. Oh, this was this year. Oh, so I know when these was made. Oh, this is nice. So thank you for calling me your BFF, girlfriend. You my BFF. She's actually like my physical BFF. And my Pokemon. Okay, thank you. Rares. They're all by my rares. They're all my rares. I have loads of rares. Like, guys, you don't need to ask me how many rares I have because I do not know I've got that many. Yeah, I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I've got loads of rares. By the way, I do give away rares. I trade with rares too. So if you guys want to rare trade. But anyway, so I'm going to create a new look. Let's go. Okay, so with all the new stuff I've got, that's what I'm going to make a new look with. So yeah, my phone. By the way, before I had that look on, I don't know if any of you guys saw it, but I had a really cool look on too. And see, I did not realise that was for you. I thought it went around the knot, but you know. Why is my Wi-Fi going crazy right now? It's not my Wi-Fi on my computer. It's my laptop. It's my Wi-Fi on my phone, and it's bugging me. Okay. The outfit I had on before was this. I don't know why I'm putting it on again, but yeah, nah. It was this. I had the outfit on before. I'm actually gonna make that my outfit. I'm gonna make that an outfit, and I'm gonna save it quickly. I don't know what to call it though. Yeah, I don't know what to call it. What should I call it, guys? What should I call it? I might call it something like Cutie Pie or something, because it's cute. Another pie. Okay, so cute. Oh, why is it like this now? I've just been logged out, guys. Guys, I've just been logged out. Guys, I've just been logged out. Guys, I've just been logged out. Guys. I've got 2 minutes and something seconds left. Guys, I've just been logged out. I'm not even on the right server right now. Oh my gosh, I've just been logged out, guys. I'll be with you guys in a minute. Like, I'm not kidding. Guys. I'm freaking out. I am freaking out, guys. Okay. Paste. Paste it, please. I'm still lucky I have my email on it, but you see, my email's on my other phone, not the phone I've got right now, because I got a new phone. Because I had a Samsung, and then I got a bloody iPhone, so yeah. Guys, I've probably changed the password. If I'm being hacked, they would have changed a password. Guys. If I just got hacked, it was on camera. It was on camera if I just got hacked. Okay. I think I need to change the password. Nothing was changed, but yeah, I was logged out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not freaking out as much. But anyway, I don't have enough time to make an outfit. But thank you guys so much for watching. If I've been hacked, I'll be logged out again. And yeah, I'll update you guys if I do get hacked. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will change my outfit because it's horrendous right now. And bye, love you guys. Mwah. Yeah, bye. Mwah. Oh, people are glitching now. Bye. Bye.